Fill it. Good girl. Fill it. Oh! What's that? What's that? Oh, it's our Christmas stocking. Fill it. Fill it. Fill it. Mama, fill it. Good. Yeah. Fill. Yes. Yes. Yay! You did it. What is it? Look. What's this? Take it. Take it. Is it one of the many squeaky toy presents that she's had this morning? Well, they should be most interested in this. Let's see what else we got. Oh, isn't that yummy? Yum, yum, yum. Yummy, yummy. Oh, nice crinkly bag action going on here. We've got Christmas drops and turkey and cranberry. Yummy. But she's probably more interested in the squeaky toy. Take it. Take it. Thank you. Oh. Sit. Is it pretty? Oh, good girl. Go get Jenny. Take it to Jenny. Okay, let's try this. Come. Sit. Take it. Go get Jenny. Go, go, go.